I hope it turns out really good because I don't know what's gonna happen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna go ahead and review this Skingasm lip stain. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not. All right, let's go ahead and begin. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this liquid lip stain Skingasm. I really want to thank Skingasm for introducing this product to me. I can't wait to try it. This is supposed to be waterproof, budge-proof, and kiss-proof, and all that jazz. First of all, this is a liquid. Blading is a new way to hyperstain your lips. It's a two-phase process that starts with a lip mask containing special pigments. The second step is a mist which activates the mask and hyperstains the brilliant color onto the surface of your skin. Within seconds of misting, you can peel and reveal a perfect pout of color that is transfer-free, smudge-free, feather-free, and water-resistant. They went ahead and included this Skingasm little pamphlet thing so that way you guys can know how to use this product and hopefully it turns out good. So it also has the color application, step 1 and step 2. So this product right here runs for $30 and I will give you guys the code at the end of this video. So this is a shade of Plum. I really love the packaging. Apply 2 to 3 coats onto the lips, onto clean lips like a lip gloss using short side to side or up and down strokes. Ensure lips are completely covered and no skin is visible. This ensures an even peel off. So leave the lip mask on your lips for approximately 45 seconds. You may experience a slight tingling sensation, but don't worry as it will go away. This is what the lip mask looks like. It is so cute. It's adorable. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Ooh, it almost looks like a purple. This is my first time trying this. This is going to be very interesting. I hope it turns out really good because I don't know what's going to happen. Here we go. Oh my gosh. First of all, it is very thin. The color is, wow, this is crazy. Okay, let's just keep going. It feels really wet. It's comfortable. It's not like drying, I can tell. I love the color. It's so shiny. Ooh, I feel some tingling. Oh my goodness. So they said about 45 seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and count up to 45 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh my goodness. This is a lip activator. All right, let's go ahead and try this out. I'm so excited. So this is a spray. Mist this 1 to 2 times over lip area, approximately 4 inches away from your face. It will instantly transform the lip mask into a peel-off film. Whew, that was a lot to say. So 4 inches away, you got to spray 2 times. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to keep my lips shut for a second. It doesn't have a smell. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Oh. Look at that color. Yeah, it peels. It peels nice. Can you guys see that? I'm going to take the rest of it off. It peels off so easily. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This right here, I feel like I don't have no lipstick or anything like that on my lips. Feels so breathable, whatever it is. It's not cracking or anything. It's weird. I like it in a weird way. Okay, let's go ahead and do like a waterproof and all that other jazz to see if this is gonna come off. So I do have my cuppy cup over here and it's time for winter. So let's go ahead and test this out on right here on this area. Look at that. Wow, that is crazy. It wasn't even on there. Oh my goodness. So I just want to try like a little sheet of paper. Here's the white sheet of paper. I'm going to go ahead and do this right in front of you guys. So that way you guys don't say I cheated. And we're not going to cheat because you know how I am. There's nothing on there. So here we go. Wait, let me try it again. Oh my God. I literally, like, that is crazy, Skingasm. That is really crazy. So Skingasm products right here, it is actually gluten-free and has no alcohol, no parabens, and talc-free. This is a vegan formula. You guys are going to love this product, and I'm not just saying that because, like I said, I'm very honest, and I'm going to be honest, and I'm going to be true to you guys. So yes, I love this product. I'm going to give this like a 10 out of 10. So this retails for $30. You guys are going to save a whole bunch of bucks and whatnot. Go ahead and use my code JAMLOVA for 15% off. I will go ahead and leave the link down below for the Skingasm Cosmetics.com. I think that's about it, you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed my video and whatnot. I will see you guys another time. Love you guys. Bye bye.